Hi, I'm going to take you through the steps to recover anything that was accidentally deleted or removed from a Google Doc. So here's my Google Doc. I'm going to accidentally delete this column so that it's gone. And I lost all my work. The way you access that to get it back is if you go up next to where the title of the document is and this Google Docs emblem, you'll click File, and then you'll go all the way down to Version History. Version History. And then you're going to slide your mouse over and go down to See Version History. See Version History. When you do that, it's going to take you to a window that looks sort of like this. It'll have the current version in the center, but it'll have this toolbar over here on the side that lists any changes that have been made to this document since its creation. Here it says current version. If I click this tiny little arrow to expand this, it'll show me every change that I've made on the document. So here's where I had all of my columns. Here's before I even added the columns to begin with. So I'm going to click the version that matches what I need it to be. So I want it to look like this. Once I found the version that I need it to be at, I'm going to go up here to the top, and there's a blue button that says Restore this version. So once I've found the version on the right that matches what I want it to look like, I'll go up to the blue button in the top and click Restore this version. Your current document will revert to the version from today at 10:27 a.m. Yes, I want to restore that. And now my document is back to where I needed it. If you have any other tech questions along these lines, this is Kelsey Berryman. I am very much willing to help with anything you need. Feel free to email at kelsey.berryman@nelson.kyschools.us. I hope this helped. Let me know if you need anything else.